Adhesive paper metal corner bead. Premium structure. Galvanized metal for strong impact resistance and rust prevention. Plus composite adhesive paper for tight bonding. Our standardized workshop runs precise production lines with strict quality checks. Post-production, each is moisture-proof packaged and warehouse stored for fast delivery of small, large orders. This professional auxiliary safeguards wall corners from bumps, prevents gypsum board joint cracking, and reinforces renovation bases. Installation is easy. 6 steps for beginners. Clean, flatten the base. Cut to length. Apply glue evenly and stick firmly. Press gently. Cure 2 to 4 hours before putty. Compatible with gypsum, rock wall boards. It fits walls seamlessly, invisible, aesthetic, and durable. Crafted with exquisite detail, it strengthens renovation foundations for safer living, working spaces. Choose factory direct quality for project peace of mind.